work with cream foundations. Now cream foundation are a little challenging because you should know how to blend them properly. Cream foundation की blending थोड़ी tricky होती है, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत एक बहुत ही अच्छा effect देती है, बहुत healthy. These are cream foundations by Forever 52 and I am very fond of them and we use them in all seasons. It's not necessary that you can only use it in winters. No, you can even use it in summer. It's very good. It blends beautifully. It's buildable, and it gives this nice, healthy finish to the skin. So this is what we will be using today for the demo, and you will also be using it in class today. Okay. Natasha Denona for bridal eye makeup is the bronze palette because I get these beautiful mattes for the transition and crease. And I get these beautiful golds as well. Right? So this is something I use a lot. Morphe James Charles palette. This is a palette which every makeup artist can have because it covers most colors. You have your transition colors, you have the black, you have the golds, you have the brow bone highlighter or a light champagne color, and you have these bright colors as well in the family of yellow, green, purple, pink, berry color, all that. So this is one palette you can buy for a kit. The James Charles model. Okay. हमने V-coat का ही उसके ऊपर gloss लगा दिया, तो थोड़ी lips glossy है. So ऐसे these are calls you will take as and how the look is being created. ठीक है. कभी blush कम हो जाता है. क्या होता है कुछ skins होती है ना बिल्कुल blush soak कर लेती हैं. Even after the fixing spray. फिर आके आप देते हो अच्छा फिर आप हल्का सा blush करते हो. कभी highlighter बिल्कुल हल्का हो जाता है. फिर आके आप highlighter top up करते हो. So before you do the final goodbye to the client, you have to check these things. है ना? कभी-कभी कोई लाइन नहीं होती. लाइनर भी आप smudge लगाते हैं because वो ऐसा ही effect smoky eye का अच्छा आता है. Smoky eye can be black, can be brown, dark brown, light brown, and then comes the jewel tone smoky. Blush palette by Forever 52, as I told you yesterday, is my absolute favorite. Since I've started using this, I don't use any other blush palette I have from any other brand. The colors are just perfect for every skin tone. Every skin tone. You will get it. The pigments are good. They're long staying. They're so smooth. Just very good. So this is one palette you must have in your kit because it has a lot of shades and it's very good quality. एक फ्लैट फ्लफी ब्रश जो होगा वो एप्लीकेशन के लिए होगा. एक डोम शेप जो होगा फ्लफी ब्रश वो क्रीजिंग के लिए होगा क्योंकि उसका काम ऐसा है. फ्लैट ब्रश अप्लाई करना है तो जो फ्लैट होगा आई का ब्रश वो अप्लाई करने के लिए होगा.